Your face? That's funny. Alright, so you want to do this thing?
Yeah.
Alright then, let's turn the tables and you take over. That's a good background. I like that. I'm going to sit there. And you come over here and film. Alright, what I want to talk about is your brother, the son of...
Sorry, this guy's very retarded. We're gonna resume, okay?
Of Mill Smith. And you know what's interesting? I said, are you Mill Smith's brother? And he says, I'm not Mill Smith's brother. I'm Matthew John Smith.
And I'm Derek Fernando Hanaks, and this is Retarded Special Ed.
Anyway, and it reminded me that his daddy is John Mill Smith. So he might be related to Mill Smith. And this is what I was thinking about. Because I go to school in the yellow short bus, wearing a hockey helmet and the smile of a mongoloid. And my name, they call me, you're not looking at me, they call me Ed, Special Ed. And I don't know why, because my name's not Ed. My name is Christopher David Hendricks. Except for if I'm on stage, I'm Peter Dick Johnson.
And I'm Draco, the famous
horse racer.
And my horse is Dewey, the Wonder Horse, and he ain't no racehorse anymore. That damn thing's a Pegasus.
His name is Dillhole. Just like the guy holding the camera, he's a Dillhole. Anyway, I was just thinking about Mill Smith, and Mill Smith seemed like he's very nice, but he's got kids, and this is what's cool. He has a girl. Her name is Willow Smith. You know, because he actually should be Millow Smith, because he's Mill Smith. So he named the girl after him instead of being Junior, and his wife is Jada Smith. And they have a boy, his name is Jaden Smith. So he's named after his mama, and Millow Smith is named after her daddy, Mill Smith, which is very nice. But you know what's messed up? What they did with Jaden Smith? Okay, Jaden Smith, you know, he's talented and stuff, but he don't eat his boogers and pick them like the cameraman do, you know, because, wait a minute, you're blocking. Anyway, so, Jaden Smith, the first time he performed into a big concert, it was at Madison Square Garden.
Because you're out of time.
Because I don't know why they call it Madison Square Garden, because it's round. It don't make no sense at all. They should call it Madison Round Garden. That's all for now? Why don't we have 5 hours worth to record? I need at least 12 hours, because I got a lot to talk about.
Well, too bad, yeah.
Alright, then goodbye to the public. I hope you come to the Ha Ha Cafe and laugh so hard you get a brain aneurysm, and then you talk like I do, and you ride the little short school bus, and you get to wear a hockey helmet on your head, and I'll tell you more about Mill Smith and his spoiled brat children. Bye.
How do you turn it off?
It is still going, it don't need to turn off, so let's keep talking some more. So,
no, you're too annoying. Can we turn it off?
The Jaden Smith, his first show got to be, he wrote on the coattails of Justin Bieber. Justin Bieber was so nice, you know. He would say, I worked so hard to go all the way to the Madison Square Garden. This should be called Madison Round Garden. And I don't have no famous parents. My mama had me when she was 16 because she was a slut. But that's another story.
And this might be a little bit too much information, but Justin Bieber's lucky he wasn't aborted.
That's so true. They're lucky they did not get an abortion, because then you wouldn't have Justin Bieber, and we would say never, I will fight. It would never happen that way. But anyway,
I will never say never.
Back to the Jaden Smith.
Hold on. You know what's weird about the song Never Say Never? For all you people in love with Justin Bieber, mostly the girls, when he says never say never, I will never say never, he actually just did say never. Back to you, Chris.
Okay, and so with Jaden Smith, he got to do his very first show at Madison Square Garden. That should be called Madison Round Garden, really. And it's not fair because Justin Bieber, he had to work like all the way from nothing. He was a nobody. You know, he was from Canada, which they're funny. They say ooch and things like that. They're funny in Canada.
And also, this has nothing to do with Justin Bieber.
But hold on. Lady Gaga interrupted me, and I tried to talk to the people. Now people, it's very important for you to understand that Justin Bieber, he made himself from nothing. He don't even have no guitar lesson, no drum lesson, no singing lesson, and he does it all by himself. Now Jaden Smith, his daddy's Mill Smith, he got everything handed to him, and then he says, Papa, I want to ride on Justin Bieber's coattails. I don't know, but Justin Bieber, I want to play on his concert because he had to work hard to work at Madison Round Garden, but I want to ride his coattails because you're my dad and you're famous, Mill Smith. And I said, okay, we're going to let you go on his thing. He worked so hard, but you don't have to do nothing because you're my son, and everything will be handed to you until you become a spoiled brat and you end up on drugs. And speaking of drugs...
Hello, people. I'm going to show you how I drum. Oh, and this is my garage for all you that want to come to my house. Forget it. I don't even know my address.
Well, we don't tell you because we're on the interweb. Here, let me film my drum. He's the retarded Justin Bieber.
Shut up!
Go, retarded Justin. See how he give up? He's a quitter. He's not like Mill Smith.
Okay.
Anyway,
Let's get back to Justin
Bieber. This is
Bieber.
my room. This is Gary, my gecko. He would like to bite you. He wants to attack. Say hi to the people on YouTube, Gary the gecko.
You can barely see him. Sorry,
Well, believe me, he's in there.
Okay,
He really is.
seriously, there's a leopard gecko in there.
I don't mean that he's part leopard and part gecko. That would be funny. You know, he's a gecko, but he got spots like a leopard.
Chris, I'm trying to give a tour of my house.
But I thought we wanted to talk to people about Mill Smith and Jada Smith riding on Justin Bieber's coattails and how Selena Gomez is dating a very illegal and she's making statutory statute rapists and it's against the law, and then she's going to have Justin Bieber's baby and take all his money.
Actually, Selena Gomez is already pregnant because of Justin Bieber.
Oh no, that's the worst thing I ever heard, you see, because Justin Bieber's mama, she got pregnant when she was 16, and now Justin Bieber had a chance to break the cycle, but he did not do it.
And you see out there that little cute fatso that's coming towards the screen. See that little pupster? That's my dog Spot. And that black dog that's near Spot, you probably don't see him, but he's Freddy, not a black rat. Back to Justin Bieber. What? This is the empty cup. Oh, doesn't need that.
This is just retarded. He could go to school in a short school bus with me. You know, I bet he don't wear a hockey helmet like I do. I forgot to talk into my microphone. And so Selena Gomez, she said, Justin Bieber, I'm a good Catholic girl. I want to have an abortion. But if she was a good Catholic girl, she would not be pregnant unless she was married to Justin Bieber. But if she don't want to marry him, she would have the good luck $1 million golden goose baby. And she says, when I make the baby with you, Justin Bieber, I'm going to take all your money and everything, and then when I'm old, I'm going to be a Playboy magazine, and I'm going to get really made up fake boobies like Jennifer Lopez, and then I'm going to go for a guy who, I like him young, as you know. I'm going to get even younger than you, Justin Bieber, and all you hits are going to be paying for all my luxury, because I'm an evil, nasty little girl. If I was a good Catholic, I would not let you play whoop-whoop-whoop-whoop-papa with me unless we was married.
We're out of time because my battery is dying out. Bye!
Bye, people in YouTube land. You're lovely. I love you. That's because my cameraman's retarded. He don't know how to turn it off.